creating community amenities in response to stormwater management and flood protection. Prior to construction, Centennial Forest was a small, rarely utilized tree row that has sustained substantial damage during the 2011 flood. The designer's conceptual rendering envisioned a shared-use path winding through stormwater ponding areas and vegetation. Construction began in August of 2016 when over 100,000 cubic yards of dirt was removed in order to create the ponding area. The 3,000 linear foot shared use path began to take shape in the fall of 2016. During large events, stormwater runoff from Perkett Ditch backflows into Centennial Pond, where it is detained and then released slowly. A paved shared use path was created along with newly planted grasses, trees, and vegetation native to the region. What has become a community amenity for Minot is shown here during a fairly dry event. The pond, after a large rain event, provides ample containment of stormwater runoff while remaining an accessible recreation area.